everyone. So we're here for day 4 of May's starter. Day 5 of my, day 6 of my all-purpose flour and day 6 of my whole wheat flour.
But problem with the whole wheat flour is that you put
all-purpose
flour in it yesterday by accident.
I did do that by accident. But that's okay. We're still managing.
50 grams.
You're supposed to... Okay, that's fine. So 50 grams. Is it at 0 right now?
Yeah.
Okay. So we've started weighing because we found the kitchen scale. So we're weighing our flour. We're weighing 50 grams. And our water, also 50 grams. Is that good? Okay, so you're going to need to stir yours. So you stir, and I'm going to get you a new container for your stir.
Yeah. Ooh. It's like 2 different colors.
Is it?
Can't see very well. Ooh, it's pretty slimy still.
Look. Oh, yes. So what we'll do is we'll put the new jar on here. We'll set this to 0. Now put only 25 grams of your starter into here. It's very liquidy. So I have a friend who's also started a sourdough starter.
I don't think this is going to be very quick.
And hers is expanding a lot. Which is what it should be doing at this point. But ours have not been expanding. So we're not too sure what's happening. You're good. Okay, so now add your flour.
This one?
Yes.
Oops.
Okay, so then we'll just set this to 0. And I'll add the 50 grams of water for you, okay? So there you go.
How am I supposed to mix it now?
Okay, so while May is mixing that, we're going to check my starter.
Mixing is the best part.
Yes. With the all-purpose flour. So
it does definitely not half.
No, that's why we're doing 25 grams to 50 grams to 50 grams. So my white one, I can't even say it has a lot of bubbles.
It really actually right now it looks like dough, but not quite. Okay,
so what I was reading earlier, and I mean, like I said from the start, we're just trying different things here. So what I was reading earlier is to not discard anything to begin. That we could try that. So I'm going to try not discarding.
Just adding.
I'm just going to add the 50 grams of water.
Huge.
Oh, yeah, so I won't be doing that the whole time. I'm only doing it for now. And now 50 grams of flour.
It's harder to mix this.
Oh, I don't need this.
Look at the texture now.
Yep. Now, every time we make it, we think, it looks good because we really have no idea what we're looking for. So it might not be warm enough in our house because they do have to be somewhere warm. So I think we're going to store them
Outside.
No, but I was thinking in the microwave maybe. The microwave, not with it being on, just
Or
in the
there.
microwave. Well, that is only warm. So that's the back of the oven. It's only warm when the oven's on.
Are we doing the oven?
I'm not turning the oven on just to heat up.
Our sourdough starters.
So this definitely does take up a lot more space. But I'm really hoping this will make a difference.
All done. Now there's none.
Okay, scrape everything down to the bottom.
I tried. That's just
Well, the stuff that's
it
stuck on
going
top.
down. With what?
With that, that's why you have the spatula.
And then what? I eat it?
Okay, so
That's as good as it's gonna get.
oh, that's right. I forgot that that's really loud for you guys when we do it that way. So what I'm going to do is once this has settled down a little bit, is mark where it is. So I had marked it last time, and it didn't change at all during the, yes, that's yours. Didn't change at all in the 24 hours. No, this one did get a feeding this
What if I
morning.
put an elastic here?
Yeah, you can do that. Don't take that one.
No.
We have elastic, so we'll find
I know, we have
elastics.
rubber bands in there. That's what I was talking about. It was fun.
Yes. So this one did get a feeding this morning, and it will get another one. Well, it just got one again. So it's at the 2 feedings a day stage. This one here is my whole wheat starter, and it is at 2 feedings a day as well. It barely grew since this morning when I fed it. And it doesn't seem very bubbly. I'm not sure. They definitely change texture between feedings, but I don't know. I expected it to be a
Do I
bit
discard
more.
this?
Yes, you can discard that. So now I've got this at 0. And I'm going to do the same thing to this one. I'm not going to discard this time. I'm only going to add 50 grams of flour and 50 grams of water. How is everyone finding the social distancing? I'm thinking I'm handling it very well some days, and other days it's just a bit tougher.
And that's why I started the sourdough starters.
Try to keep busy with our sourdough starters, but
Yesterday we were in the kitchen all day.
we did spend the whole day in the kitchen yesterday.
That was fun.
Between doing preparations for my students and my children's homework,
And cookies.
made cookies, we made
Paper garbage.
a few different things. So it's definitely a time you want to be keeping busy, but sometimes keeping busy,
It's
I
like
find
play.
it just isn't cutting it. I don't know. I found the day pretty long today.
Today was a fun day.
It was.